Now, everybody knows I love the educational television. I found this great nature show on public access TV. Check it out. It's awesome.
From WNAT in Middlebury, Vermont, you're watching Nature's Platform.
Oh, hey, hi. I'm Randy.
And I'm Mountain Dude.
Yeah. And today's show is brought to you by Randy and Mountain Dude's all-natural diapers.
We're #1 in the #2 business.
Come on, dude. Be serious. Come on, we want people to buy these diapers.
Hey, they're great. They're great. They're not just for babies. I got a pair on right now.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this box isn't open.
I forgot to put them on.
Oh, dude.
Okay, make it quick.
All right. It's time for a segment we call Green News.
Oh, yeah.
Green News.
Oh, dude, did you see the giant letters? Get away! Get away!
Dude, calm down, Mountain Dude. That's just a graphic.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was really scary. I really wish I had some of them diapers on now.
All right, well, look. Anyway, today in Green News, we're going to discuss the most important green of all.
Weed.
No, dude. I'm talking about money.
All right, make money.
Yeah.
Which you can use to buy weed.
Yeah, that's right. But we're going to talk specifically about the financial crisis. Now, experts say it happened because banks didn't follow the basic rule, buy low, sell high.
Oh, really? I've been doing it backwards. I've been buying high.
What?
Yeah, last week buying high. Yeah, last week. Why, you have a problem?
No, just trying to understand.
No, I'm just saying. I was buying high. Last week I was so high, I bought 400 Dazzlers.
Oh, dude. That's why your cat looks so awesome.
Oh,
yeah. Look at that.
Pretty.
Oh.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, he's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, next up is Randy and Mountain Dude's helpful eco hits.
Helpful Eco
Hey, they're back! Get away! If we don't survive this green ladder attack, I want you to know I've always been gay for you, Randy. Kiss me, buddy. I think they're gone, dude. You can carry on with the show.
Dude, what did you say about kissing me?
Nothing.
Dude. Oh, now the guy over there is telling me we're out of time. All right, look, join us next week when I'll discuss how pot is legal in L.A.
And I'll discuss the quickest way to get to L.A.
Oh, yeah, awesome. High five.
Join us next time on Nature's Platform.